guys, welcome to Pros Fashion World, a place of fashion, a place where all kind of fashions, kind of wears, kind of suits, sneakers, jackets, gown, trousers, knickers, all kinds of clothes, how to sew them, how to get them sewed, how to be perfect, to be an expert in all kinds of that dress. On my first episode, we begin with the tape counting. That is knowing how to count tape, because it's very, very important for you to be expert in sewing. You must be expert also in counting. Because if you don't know how to count, trust me, sewing will be very hard for you. So you have to get your tape, get your scissors, get your sewing material prepared as well. Loading my first episode on the weekend. So subscribe to get notification as the lesson and the live stream will soon be on the weekend. Trust me.